Hey there, Lee here, and in this video we're going to talk about the meaning behind a single grey tick mark in WhatsApp. It's a quick and easy topic, so let's jump right into it. First, let me open up WhatsApp here and show you what we're talking about. As you can see in the bottom right hand corner, there are usually two blue tick marks indicating that your message has been delivered and read, but sometimes you may notice only one grey tick mark next to your message, like this. So, what does this mean? Well, it simply means that your message has been delivered to the WhatsApp server, but it hasn't been delivered to the recipient's phone yet. This could be because their phone is turned off or they have no internet connection at the moment. It's important to note that once your message is delivered, it will switch to two grey tick marks, and once it is being read by the recipient, it will switch to two blue tick marks. Sometimes this transaction happens so quickly that you don't even notice it, and your messages will immediately change to two grey or blue tick marks. So that's what the single grey tick mark in WhatsApp means. It's just an indication that your message hasn't been delivered to the recipient phone yet. But once it is, you'll see the two tick marks pop up. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and I'll see you in the next one.